How to create a Netflix account in 2025, complete guide for beginners. So, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for netflix.com if you're using a PC, and if you're using a mobile or any other devices, you just have to download the Netflix app on your phone. And if you're using a smart TV, you also have to download your Netflix app from your app store. And then let me show you how you can sign up for Netflix on different devices. So first of all, let me show you how you can sign up in TV or any streaming devices. So first of all, you open the Netflix device. On most of the TV and TV streaming devices, you will need to start by providing your email address or phone number. Once provided, you will receive an email or SMS text messages with an activation link to continue the sign up flow. And after that, you have to choose the plan that's right for you. You can change your plan at any time, and you can create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. After that, you enter a payment method. That's it. Stream on. And on the Android, you have to sign up from your Android device. You have to visit netflix.com/sign up. If you have the Netflix app from the Google Play Store, you can start signing up from the app. Then you will need to use a mobile or computer browser to finish sign up. If you have the Netflix app from the Samsung Galaxy Store, you can sign up from the app without using a mobile or computer browser. Then create a account by entering your email address and creating a password. And after that, choose the plan that's right for you. You can downgrade and upgrade at any time and enter the payment method. That's it. Steam on. And on the iPhone or iPad, you have to do the exact same thing. Visit netflix.com/sign up for mobile browser. Choose the plan that's right for you. You can change the plan at any time. And after that, create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Enter payment method. And after that, download and sign in to the Netflix app or a device running iOS 17 or later, and that's it. Steam on. And on the computer, let me show you. You have to go to the netflix.com and click on get started. If you have to just give your email address here, and after that you have to click on get started. And sorry, something on okay, so you just, or you can just click on sign in, and here you will get a button like sign up. And after that, choose the plan that's right for you. You can change your plan at any time. Create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. Enter payment method. That's it. You can now stream on. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.